Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to save a Word document to your desktop. To begin, make sure you already have Microsoft Word open and a document ready to save. Once your document is complete, or at a point where you'd like to save it, move your attention to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a tab labeled File. Click on it. After clicking on File, a new menu will open. From the list of options, locate and select Save As. This will allow you to choose where you want to save your document and what to name it. Once you select Save As, another panel will appear. Look for the Browse button, typically located on the right-hand side of the panel. Click on Browse and a File Explorer window will open. In this new window, you'll see a navigation panel on the left side. Scroll through the panel and click on Desktop. This ensures that your document will be saved directly to your desktop, where it will be easy to find later. Next, you'll see a text box labeled File Name near the bottom of the window. Type in a name for your document. Make sure the name is something you'll recognize easily. Once you've entered the name, review the sample field below to ensure it's set to Word document. Now, click the Save button located in the bottom right corner of the File Explorer window. The File Explorer window will close and your document will be saved to your desktop. To confirm the document is saved, close Microsoft Word or minimize it. Look at your desktop and you should see your document with the name you chose. That's it. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.